Hi guys, it's David. Welcome to my mom's channel. Today I'm gonna help my mom bake the best brownies in the world. Before we start, please click the subscribe button down below. Now let's bake. Here's what we need: dark chocolate, butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, egg, salt, vanilla essence, flour, and cocoa powder. Cut dark chocolate into small pieces. Careful, Mom! Place it in a container with butter. Melt the butter and chocolate in a microwave or heated saucepan. Here's our melted chocolate butter. Set aside and let it cool. In a separate bowl, mix granulated sugar and brown sugar, eggs. Mix one at a time. Mix until creamy. 1 teaspoon of salt, vanilla essence. Add the chocolate butter mixture. Mix well. Mix some more. And more, and more, and more. Oh, it looks so yummy. Flour, cocoa powder, sift together. Gently fold them into the batter. La 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 la. Looks yummy. Grease the baking pan with butter. Take note that my mom washed her hands, or you can use a brush. And put parchment paper. Pour the batter into the pan. Can I taste now? Aww. Shake and tap gently. Sprinkle some chocolate chips so that it'll be very tasty and yummy. It's optional, guys, if you want to add it. Oh, I can't wait. Here it is. But let it cool first. Be careful, Mom! Share this recipe to your family and friends. Thank you! Thank you for watching! Please subscribe to my mom's channel. Please click the subscribe button below. Thanks! God bless!